Hi friend, today we'll make paneer tikka recipe and I love paneer tikka, so come. I have here paneer and then onion and capsicum, and I've roasted the besan curd, and this is garlic paste and 2 small lemon, and I've taken here kasuri methi and then kala namak, then chaat masala, then haldi, then red chili powder and bhuna hua jeera. Now I'm starting the recipe. The recipe. First we have to put the besan. I've roasted it, and then 2 teaspoon curd, and then 1 teaspoon garlic paste, and then I have here some lemon, and I have to put some juice. Okay, now I am putting chaat masala 1 teaspoon, and then kala namak 1 teaspoon, and then some haldi and 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and then some 1 teaspoon salt, and I have taken some kasuri methi and then bhuja hua. Okay, now I have put in this all. Now we have to mix it. I am putting some curd. If you want, you can put some more curd. Now I am putting some red color. You have to put some red color only. And now I am putting the paneer that have and some onion, I am putting some capsicum. Okay, now we have to mix it little bit. Okay, now my this mixing is done. Now I am putting this in small non-stick toothpick. If you do not have the long toothpick, you can use this a toothpick. Everyone has this toothpick, or if you have like this, you can also use this. Now I am putting this one by one like this. First paneer, then onion, then capsicum, then again paneer, then some capsicum and some onion. You can follow these steps. Now one more piece of paneer and some onion. And some capsicum. Okay. Now we have to keep this 30 minutes in the refrigerator. And first we have to remove this. And put this on the gas. Now we have to put some water. And put this. Now we have to spread the oil on this. Okay, now I am keeping it for 30 minutes. Now I am keeping it here. Like this. Now it is nicely cooked. I'll just turn it for a while. Then now I'll remove it. Now I'm removing it. Okay, now I'm decorating it with some tomatoes and onion. Now I have decorated it nicely, and I have here some sauce and some chutney. Okay, you can see how I have decorated, and if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Bye, stay home, stay safe. Hi friends, my name is Falguni, and if you like my paneer tikka recipe, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to shoot with me a video, you can write something on my comment, and you can write like I want to shoot with you. Then down beside you have to write your name and address and date. Bye. Stay on. See you soon. Bye.